The minimalist style achieves a more open space with an ambience that is well structured. It uses sharp, geometric shapes and structures which include squares and rectangles. While the minimalist style is on trend, it can come off as dull, empty, and cold. However, this does not have to be the case. You can make your bedroom look minimal without breaking the bank and while making sure it appears warm and intriguing. Before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Here's the 10 tips to create a budget-friendly minimalist bedroom. Number 1. Use white bedding. You can achieve a clean look by buying bed sheets, pillows, blankets and comforters in plain and neutral colors. Beautiful white linens can make all the difference in how fresh and clean your bedroom looks. The great thing about white bedding is that you can find this at any department store. Plain beddings are generally cheaper compared to printed and colored ones, so are a budget-friendly way to create a minimalist bedroom. You can still give a comfy look to your room. Add some chunky fleece throws and blankets, and you'll achieve a minimalist design with more volume. As a bonus, it also keeps you warm on a cold night. Number 2. Skip the detailed flooring. The texture in minimalist design is usually smooth and plain looking. When recreating your bedroom, you want to avoid heavy flooring like carpets and tiles that create a lot of divisions upon assembly. Quality polished wood is one choice. Alternatives include plain linoleum or stone tiles. The effect of these materials, when incorporated in your floor area, is that it creates a continuous and smooth look. Number 3. Pick a bed with a minimal design frame. A minimalist bedroom should be as bare as possible, so you should not buy a bed with big, heavy frames made of dark wood or metal. Choose a bed frame with no headboard. A plank of light wood with metal ends is a perfect choice already. Simple bed frames cost a lot cheaper than those with fancy designs in the headboard and edges. If you want to adopt the traditional Japanese bedroom, you can transform your bed with tatami mats, and then pair it with a white futon. This is a more affordable alternative to make your bed look minimal. Number 4. Use plain wallpaper. Painting your entire room can be expensive, time-consuming, and messy. Instead, you can opt to get a plain colored wallpaper. Following your minimalist theme, a plain wallpaper can actually make your bedroom appear bigger and enhance the look of your bedroom. Putting wallpaper up can be done within the day, and it's affordable and easy to do. However, remember that the color of your wallpaper has to match the overall theme color palette of your bedroom. Number 5. Add small pieces of unframed wall art. To give a bit more life to your walls, you can add a few paintings or small prints. Just make sure that it goes well with your theme. Wall art will make your bedroom look chic yet minimalist. Here are some suggestions on what wall art designs you should put in your bedroom: black and white prints, abstract paintings with neutral colors and vector style art with neutral colors. Number 6. Keep plants on your bedside. Another quintessential item to add are plants. It don't only cleanse the air you breathe, it will also have a splash of green colors in your bedroom to give some life to it and still keep the minimalist look. Having some plants in your room also brings some sort of peace inside. Although, remember not to overdo it with the plant placements. For instance, a simple fern or succulent on your nightstand or dresser will do the trick. Limit yourself to a maximum of around 2 plants in your room. This will only cost you a few bucks, too. Number 7. Make use of natural light. A minimalist bedroom should have a cozy and light ambience. You can do this by using bright and sheer curtains for your windows. Sheer curtains are cheaper than thick, floor-length curtains and heavy draperies. Let the natural light work on your bedroom during the day. This will cost you less on your electrical bill. At night, a minimalist lamp that has a white bulb or LED light in the 4 corners of your ceiling will do the trick. Energy used by LED lights is much less than fluorescent lamps, which saves you money. Number 8. Go for simple mirrors. A bedroom is not complete without mirrors. Instead of going for the mirrors on a standard dresser, opt for simple mirrors as these are not expensive, and also goes with the whole minimalist theme. For example, you can go for a full-length mirror and just simply lean the mirror on the wall. You don't need to hang it and buy a stand for it. This not only looks wonderful, but it's also very functional and affordable. Number 9. Declutter your room. This is probably the cheapest idea that you can apply when doing a minimalist concept in your bedroom. Minimalism is not just an inspiration or a style, but it is more of a lifestyle as well. Decluttering your room doesn't only mean throwing away garbage and unnecessary items in your bedroom, it is also about minimizing the objects you put in it. If you have a lot of things in your room, you need to organize these in a manner that they cannot be seen. Incorporate simple drawers where you can put your things inside. Buy storage boxes that can be stacked together to create more space. Number 10. Use welded wire fence for your photos. Instead of buying picture frames for each of your photos, you can just go for a welded wire fence and binder clips. This do-it-yourself option is very inexpensive to make and can make your room look even more stylish and minimalist. You can hang your printed or Polaroid photos on the wire fence by the walls of your room. Instead of having numerous picture frames lined up on top of your dresser or pictures sticking onto your walls and mirrors, this inexpensive and minimalist DIY option can bring a more stylish touch to your room. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and the subscribe button. Thanks a lot. Bye.